Well, this is becoming an all too familiar sight. Those clipped subs weren't enough, obviously. Well, actually, you know what? I had bought these quite a while ago. They were just on back order. What are they? 21 freaking inch Dayton subs. The PSS, whatever the heck that is. PSS555-8. They're 21s. I've got a really big living room. There's 18s in there. And those kind of aren't cutting it, mostly because they're in a knoll over here. So the plan is to replace those 18s with these 21s and then to take the 18s out of there and build some side tables with them. One over here, big old cat, and the other over there. But for now, these things finally came in, and I figured I'm going to crack one open and check it out before I bust out the table saw and get to working. All right, let's check this thing out. It's getting exciting now. First time seeing it. Here we go. Holy jeez, that is a big sub. Wow. The freaking, goddamn. Ooh, look at that thing. Wow. Not too much else in the box. Let's get it over here on the couch. Oh, jeez, look at that thing. Goddamn. Wow. Now, I have experience with 18s. Obviously, I built 2 of them. This is a whole nother level. Like, 18 is big. Don't get me wrong. That's a giant woofer in itself. But, god damn. Look at this thing. Look at my hand. Wow. This is not super high end. I actually only paid $225 for it, which is why I got it. But if this thing doesn't put out some bass, holy crap. It's so bottom heavy. It doesn't weigh an insane amount. I think the 18s are actually heavier, but just the awkwardness of it. All the weights are down there at the bottom. Jeez. Well, I mean, yeah, it's there. Wow. It's going to be a lot of fun. The box I plan on building is basically just a 24-inch cube, 24 inches every dimension. That equals 8 cubic feet total, but once you subtract this giant driver, then the bracing and everything is probably going to be about 6.5 cubic feet. Going to be sealed, and then these subs are really sensitive, so it's not going to require too much power. And then when you factor in room gain, which I don't have a lot of because my living room's so big, but man, look at that. Jeez, I don't think output's going to be an issue for these things. Wow. Let's go. Look at that freaking thing. I got it moving off just this little tiny freaking amp too. Got the other one hooked up, just testing it out. These things do not need a lot of power. Look at that. Freaking awesome. I'm gonna blow my freaking house up, I swear. Wow. That's how I'm spending my Friday night. God damn. Beautiful. Had to come in for a better look to do this thing justice. Look at this thing. Look at the spider on it, the coil wires. It's only a single voice coil, but just the freaking size. Man, I've never experienced anything like this. Freaking crazy. Wow. This is just like a whole nother league. It's got the accordion surrounds because it's like a PA style woofer. But man, that displacement, this thing's gonna move so much freaking air. Jeez. I just have the 18s right now, 2 18s sealed, and then 2 ported 8s, believe it or not. So I'm gonna replace the 8s with 21s. I'm jumping to the complete opposite of the spectrum. Those 8s are no joke, though. They dug down to the low 20s. They're the Monolith THX 8s. Wow. But this guy here, geez, it's going to be a while before I can build it. But, man. I'm fanboying over it, as you can tell. And again, I know this isn't high end, but just the freaking scale of it. Wow. It almost looks scary just like imagining what this thing could put out. Hopefully it lives up to its looks. All right, so until next time, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos with this monstrosity. Peace.